So here's a new and exciting one. We're going to do, I mean, it's not new, it's like 50 something years old. We're doing an R&R on the front engine driven power steering pump on a 69 Continental. First order of business, of course, take off your radiator cap. We're going to drain our radiator down there at the petcock, pull our upper and lower hoses, our two trans-cooler lines, and then we will be pulling the radiator out, the shroud out. Going to pull the fan for my sanity. Need to undo the alternator to get those belts off, and then we will be getting the crank pulley and such apart. All right, we got our radiator out, got our fan out, our fan shroud out. I did put the bolts back in the water pump pulley. One, we don't lose them. Two, it doesn't get all spun around. So next step, we're gonna pull crank pulley. Sorry, my hand made a shadow. So we're gonna pull the pulley, get the bolt, get the pulley, get these belts off, get this pump off. Whew, boy. All right, balancer's coming off. Okay, our pulley's out, got the keyway out, hoses are undone, and there's two bolts that need to be pulled here and here. Sorry it's dark, but two bolts so you can get some light on the subject. Boom. See my finger? There. And there. Pulley comes, then the pump comes off. She's out. And what a pain in the ass. Good Lord Almighty. But it's out. I'm going to take this baby over to Advantage West, get it redone. I have a feeling it ain't going to be cheap.